Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Garrett, your solar buddy. Hey, I have to jumpstart this industry. It's just happening too slow. I can't wait any longer. I've been telling everybody, don't do solar. Make sure if you do solar, make sure it's 1,000 volts. People have no idea what's happening, so this video is going to explain what my mission is and what I'm trying to accomplish. So I have 5 EVs, and right now these 2 little solar trackers are only generating about 5% of the energy that I need to charge my EVs. Not enough. So I'm going to take matters in my own hands because I'm really disappointed after a meeting I just had with EVSE. I was expecting the HVDC, the high voltage DC, to come out sooner than it is. I've been preaching don't do solar, wait for the high voltage DC solar to come out, but it's just lagging. So watch what I'm going to do, because I'm going to take matters in my own hands and I'm going to correct this mistake that I made. What did I make as a mistake? I did a small off-grid solar. I followed everybody else's videos. I went on the solar forums and I ended up doing a low voltage solar system, which is a huge mistake. So I was telling everybody about 1,000 volts DC solar, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to take this in my own hands and move this industry forward. Follow me. I'm going to take that DC output to a buck converter. I ordered it on Amazon. I'll send you a link, and that buck converter is going to feed this equipment right here. Because I'm tired, I can't wait, no one's going to do it. People in the industry ask me, so I'm going to do it. So this is a DC fast charger. It's currently charging the van, and it's putting out, hey Chris, come over here, let's show everybody what it looks like. I'm going to put my meter on DC, and I've got my DC output right here, and I got 386 volts. So 386 volts is being generated from 100 amp AC. It's converting it to DC and sending it to the car. There's a lot of heat, a lot of wasted energy. So what I'm going to do, Chris, come back over. I'm actually going to disconnect this DC, and I'm going to connect my solar directly to that. This device already handles the protocol. This device already handles the control pilot, the plug pilot. It lets it know it's a DC. It sends the correct signals to let the car know, hey, open up the DC bus. But the car doesn't know where the DC is coming from, right? As long as the communication signal is there. So I'm going to reconfigure my solar, and it's going to output right into this machine. So I'll have to still use this. I still have to plug it in, but I'm going to remove all the high voltage equipment out of here, and I'm just going to connect my DC solar to it. Now I tried to do it with this Ford Lightning charger because this is a bi-directional charger, and it didn't work. Okay, this works with the Ford Lightning, but it wouldn't work with my e-Transit van. So again, what I'm going, and this is not DC, this is just a high level, this is an 80 amp level 2 charger. This is DC. So I'm having a hard time having companies respond to me, reply to me on my requests. They know the answer, they just don't want to give it out. So I'm going to do it. All right. So join my channel if you're interested in this. I'm going to take this direct solar output right into this device with a buck converter. So my 2 arrays will be reconfigured. I'm going to just eliminate all this. This is all waste. All this is a waste. If I could take that 400 volts at my solar panels and go directly to my van, that's going to be the most efficient output that I can get.